Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my YouTube channel iTunix. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to access YouTube for free every day in Cameroon. Okay, free is you get to stream videos for free and stuff like that. So before we get started, I'm just gonna open Chrome. As you can see, I have no internet connection, which means I don't have data. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go to Play Store and download this app called Ayuba. Okay, after downloading the app, you need to log in with your telephone number and your name. Okay, as you can see, I'm opening the app. So once the app opens, you tap on menu. Okay, you select services, you slide this to the right, you have Glow Telho here, you click on Glow Telho. Okay, once it opens, as you can see, we have a bunch of options here, but it doesn't matter which options you choose. Okay, you can choose laptop, television, tablet. Let's just take television, it doesn't matter. So it opens, you scroll down, right down. Okay, do you see this? You click on this button that looks like a YouTube icon. Okay, you click on it. Once you click on it, YouTube starts loading. Alright, so this is YouTube, guys. It's free. Okay, you can search whatever video you want to search, play whatever thing you want to play here. And guys, okay, to access Google for free, you go to the search bar. Okay, you search iTunix, like iTunix. Okay, you subscribe to the channel and open the channel. Okay, alright, after opening the channel, you see this link here, iTunes.com. You click on it. Okay, alright guys, once this action opens, what you need to do is that you need to click on these four buttons, on these four dots. Okay, it brings you to a menu. You click on Google. As you can see, guys, Google opens, so I can search anything here, like let's say Laxasha Street. Okay, Laxasha, something like that. You open, you can stream videos, bunch of videos. Okay, this Google now is free. You can open any website, you can open anything for free. So guys, remember to subscribe to iTunix. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay.